Hello everyone, welcome back to Mo's World. I'm Mo, and y'all, currently me and Babe are on our baby moon. Super excited, but this is the pregnancy update that I told you all that I would give you in the last video that I uploaded. So today I have 37 days left before baby Jay gets here. We are so excited. We're currently in Myrtle Beach for 5 days at a resort, just enjoying the last time it will just be me and him together on a vacation, at least in the foreseeable future, without being parents yet. So anyways, this is our first full day but second day here, and it is lovely. Look at, do you see that? I don't think you'll see it, the contrast, but there's like this big bird. I'm not sure, it's not a pelican, but I don't know what it's called, but anyways, it's so cute. This is our outside patio area, and this is kind of the view that we have. But anyways, okay, so for the update, like I said, I have 37 days left. I've pretty much bought everything for the nursery. I just gotta set everything up. Y'all, I created a baby registry finally. That was so difficult for me to do. I find it very stressful and overwhelming. But if you all would like to bless baby Jay in any way, the baby registry link will be in the description box below, and it's all through Amazon. So right in time for Amazon Day, or Prime Day, Amazon Prime Day. So if you would like to take advantage of that, you have full capability of doing that. I put the link in the description box below. Let me see what else. Currently, I get tired. I'm tired, y'all. It gets uncomfortable sleeping. I deal with insomnia quite a bit. Certain foods are just definitely messing with me. Acid reflux, definitely. But I am looking forward to this time of just being out here and relaxing and just having a good time with Babe. Just relaxing. Not having to move too fast. But today we are going to hit the outlets, see if we can find some cute little outfits for baby Jay. And I know Tim wants to do some shopping as well. For me, I'm not shopping for myself until I get my body back. Like, that's like the ultimate reward for me. Like, if I'm buying clothes, it's for when my body's back. So, but don't worry, I plan on documenting just getting my body back, that journey, also my hair journey with postpartum shedding, all that jazz. I plan on documenting it on this channel. So if any of that interests you, or you would like to watch that, make sure that you subscribe and click the bell icon so you do not miss out on any new videos that come up. And also, I'm just gonna be raw about new motherhood, being a new mom, and I also plan on breastfeeding, so just that journey as well. Yeah, all the things are gonna be coming up on this channel. So, and it's gonna be raw. I ain't gonna be looking up here. I'm not gonna wait to come up here to be cute looking. It's going to be in the moment, how I'm feeling, pull up my phone and just say, hey, this is how I'm feeling today, or this is what's going on, or this is what's going on with baby Jay, or whatever it may be. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to his arrival. If you all do not know, if I did not put it out there, or it's just been a long time since I put it out there, the due date is November 17th. Y'all pray that he is not late. I am not trying to be in labor and in the hospital during Thanksgiving. Your girl wants Thanksgiving food. And she wants to enjoy it without being pregnant. So definitely be praying for me for that. But let me see. Let me show you my baby bump. That is what we're looking at. Other side. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. So anyways, I don't think there's any other updates I need to put out there. What could there be? Is there anything? Oh, my maternity pictures. I have a maternity photo shoot next week. Actually, next Sunday. Next Sunday I have my first maternity photo shoot. I'm super excited about that. As soon as I get those, I don't know if I'll be posting him to post. I may post them. Okay, so make sure that if you're subscribed and everything, you'll see my community post. I'll post a picture of my maternity photo, just in case you don't have Instagram. But if you follow me on Instagram, I post way more on Instagram than I do on YouTube. So my Instagram information is in the description box below, so you can follow me there. But definitely post way more on Instagram. Trying to think, is there anything else? I don't think there's any other updates, y'all. It's at this point, it's like countdown is real. I am ready for him to come on. Like, I still need more time to get stuff together. But I'm ready. Like, I'm ready to meet him. I'm ready to meet my baby boy. I'm ready to see what he looks like. I'm ready to see his personality. I'm ready to just see him grow and come into his own, you know? And I'm ready to just be a new mommy and learn all the things. But yeah, if y'all have any advice or suggestions or anything like that, please put them down in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. I am not at all above it, prideful. Get your girl some knowledge. Give me some knowledge. So anyways, I think that's all I got. I'm pretty much unplugging, so I'm not really going to be on social media for the next few days. Me and Babe are just enjoying the time together. It's just so needed, so needed. So yeah, take some time to unplug sometimes. It's needed, especially from social media, YouTube, and all that jazz, especially with all the stuff that's happening nowadays. It's refreshing to unplug. So also want to put a quick plug out there. I have a new coaching YouTube channel out there as well. It's really all about positive vibes and all about self-help topics, where I just walk you through certain exercises and certain topics to help you get through life and become a better you. So anything dealing with criticism, how to have healthy boundaries, how to have control of your life again, how to be able to say no, different things like that. Those are just a few of the topics, and they come out every Wednesday at 11:45 a.m. So if you're interested in that channel, the link will be in the description box below. Okay, that's all I have for you all, but if you have any questions or you have any suggestions for any other videos that you'd like to see on this channel, please let me know in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you guys. All right, until the next video, mwah! Love you guys, stay blessed.